Today, we're not just reeling in Redfin fish, but we're reeling in something even more slippery: Redfin real estate trolls. Step 1. Identify your target. Spot the overpriced shack disguised as a luxury villa. Look for listings with descriptions that stretch the truth like a rubber band. Is the backyard lush but looks like a desert wasteland? That's your bait. Step 2. Arm yourself with witty banter. Prepare your tackle box with sarcasm and clever comebacks. Instead of getting mad, leave a comment like, "This home is so unique. It must have been designed by Picasso after one too many espressos." Step 3. Cast your line. Engage playfully, not aggressively. Use humor to highlight the absurdity. If a listing claims ample parking but shows a single car garage, respond with, "Ample parking for my unicycle collection, perhaps." Step 4. Reel them in or not. Sometimes the troll will bite and engage back, but don't expect a serious conversation. Your goal isn't to win an argument. It's to inject humor and help other potential buyers see through the smoke and mirrors. Remember, folks, Redfin trolling is all about having fun and using a little bit of wit to navigate the wild world of online real estate. Now get out there, cast your lines, and happy trolling.